Solve the system by the substitution method. We have the equations 4x plus 3y is equal to negative 35 and x plus y is equal to 0. I'm going to start by identifying these equations as equations 1 and 2. Now, if we choose equation 2, we can pretty easily solve it for one of these variables. So I'm going to go ahead and solve it for y by subtracting x from both sides. Thus, this equation becomes y is equal to a negative x. So we have y solved for. I'm going to identify this as equation 3. Now we're going to substitute y equal negative x into equation 1. So equation 1 becomes 4x plus 3 times, in place of y, we'll substitute negative x, is equal to negative 35. That's equation 1. Now let's solve it for x. 4x multiplying, we get a minus 3x is equal to a negative 35. So x is equal to negative 35. We're almost there. Now we need to solve for y. In equation 3, we have that y is equal to a negative x. And so we can quickly then determine that y is equal to the negative of negative 35, or y is equal to positive 35. So let's say then that the solution set is the point where x is equal to negative 35, y is equal to positive 35.